Okay, can he claim self-defense being, reason of insanity when he's writing that he's going to go to jail, go to prison? Does that even make sense?
It doesn't. It's not a good defense here. It doesn't fit. For a plea of insanity to work, not guilty by reason of insanity, is not that you're crazy or that you have some psychological, condition or disease or that made you do it, or that compelled you to do it. It's that you did not know that it was wrong at the time you did it. He clearly knew it was wrong. He wrote down that it was wrong. This journal is going to be the biggest piece of evidence for the prosecution to rebut that insanity defense. I don't know that. I think that they will struggle finding psychiatrists to testify for them in that regard. This kid probably has all sorts of problems, and it's tragic, but he is not criminally insane.
And, it is in your wheelhouse and knowing a little bit about you and your practice. You deal a lot with juveniles in some cases and also bullying. Do you think that that's going to be brought in, or do you think that that's going to be saved for sentencing phase?
I think that would be saved for sentencing phase. I don't know that whether, I think that there has been some information that he might have been a kid that was, picked on or bullied. And, you often see that manifest itself in a couple of ways. Usually the weak kid is the one that's picked on. It's never the strong kid. And it's oftentimes the kid that has some sort of, troubles, whether they're on the spectrum or whether or not they have other, issues that are happening with them. And I don't know that really goes to any element of the crime that we're talking about here. The crimes that we're talking about here. I think that it more goes to, maybe some sort of mitigating factors that are presented by the defense in sentencing.